I applaud you for taking that very important first step. Now, what can you expect from us?
The first thing that happens when somebody contacts Sokolove Law is they talk with either one of our case managers or one of our paralegals. It's just an initial phone call where we'd start gathering basic information about them, just some basic family history, medical history, and employment history. We really want to figure out how they were diagnosed with mesothelioma and what led up to the diagnosis. Then we really want to gather in-depth information about where they were exposed to asbestos and how they were exposed. Anything from military experience to their primary employment, and then to any secondary exposure that they might possibly have.
And if we feel that our attorneys can move forward with a potential claim, we actually would push it forward to our trial team, who would come and sit down and meet with your family and answer any questions that you may have and really just explain the process. You do not typically have to spend any time in court, or you're not necessarily required to travel. Our attorneys, they do look into your case for you, and they're there to actually take the burden off of you and litigate as much as they can on their own.
We will begin to endeavor to find every single defendant possible to bring a claim against. Oftentimes, it's not just one defendant involved. You may only recall one, or your loved one may only recall one defendant they worked with. But as we delve into the work sites that you were working at, or your loved one was working at, when we start looking at the products that they were around, we will find that there may be multitudes of defendants that should have claims brought against them.
I'm Jim Sokolove, founder of Sokolove Law. I want to thank you very much for contacting us regarding your potential asbestos claim.